Oh well, hello folks, guys and gals. How's everybody doing, by the way? It's me, Metalman873 here today, and I'm back once again to bring you a very, very unexpected unboxing video, folks, for you today. And for this, folks, well, this came to me quite recently from upstairs. It's of a Byte mini amp speaker right here, folks, for you. So yeah, right. Well, anyway, this actually came about quite unexpected circumstances, I would say, and also plus as well, I haven't had a speaker for maybe my laptop or devices for a long time. So I thought, why not? Could possibly test it out and see how it goes, possibly. So yeah. Right, anyway, as always, for these videos, we're going to have a quick look around the box. Here's the front on there, mini amp speaker. It's, in the shape of an amplifier, because, well, anyway, I love rock and heavy metal music, obviously. So, on here, Fan-dabby-dozy, side to side, compatible with most smartphones and tablets, very compact and portable. And it includes a 3.5mm line-in plug as well. And on the back, tells you a bit about it on there. It looks good. And so anyway, I'm going to make this probably a quick one, folks, because anyway, I'm obviously in the middle of something in the lounge at the moment, and then I just thought I might possibly do this while we're here. So open this up, and what do we find in here? We've got the USB lead right here, folks, on there, and let's get plastic. Let's get this speaker out. Ooh, right. Oh, here it is, folks. Whoa, looks fabulous, doesn't it? Shaped like an amplifier too on there. Yeah, on and off button on here. There, manual. Yeah, and bass, treble, and on like you do on an amplifier, and volume knob on there. Here's the back of it. Yep, bottom, and it's a Byte amplifier basically. So right, and then finally, last but not least, we've got here and also instructions on how to work it basically. So right, anyway, folks, that was a quick unboxing, folks. I'm just going to put the camera up so you can see me. I'm just going to, right, anyway, I hope you've all quickly enjoyed that unboxing video, folks. Quite unexpected present, actually, which I turned out in mine, so, well, anyway, and I would quickly admit it wasn't originally mine, it was a Christmas present of somebody else's upstairs, but they didn't want it, so upstairs gave it downstairs to me, so, very, very thankful and fortunate for, so, Right, anyway, folks, thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the variety of videos on there. And I will see you all in my next YouTube video. Peace.